video, we will learn how to manage customers in ERP Next. Customer can be an individual or a company who has purchased your offering. To add new customer in your ERP Next account, type New Customer in the Awesome bar. Enter customer name. Select customer type. Select customer group and territory. Save customer. Once customer is saved, unique ID will be generated for it. These are the transactions which can be created for the customer. By default, customer ID is generated based on customer name. If needed, you can also set customer naming based on naming series. To change this setting, go to Selling Settings. In the field Customer Naming by, select Naming Series. Save Selling Settings. Refresh your ERP Next account. Now let's add new customer to see its effect. Select naming series based on which customer ID will be generated. Enter customer name and select customer type. Save customer. Here we can see that customer ID has been generated following naming series. Customer's contact and addresses are saved separately. Let's set an address for this customer. Click on New Address. Enter address details. Check billing or shipping based on address type. Save address. Once address is saved, it will be visible in the customer master. Let's add a contact for this customer. On selection of a customer in the transaction, respective address and contact will be fetched automatically in that transaction. In the Customer Master, you can set various defaults like currency, price list, etc. If needed, you can set custom receivable account for this customer here. If needed, you can also set customer naming based on naming series. To change this setting, go to Selling Settings. To check, go to your company customer naming by, select naming series. You can also set credit details and other tax-related details of the customers here. If you allocate salesperson for each customer, then list salespersons here. If not, you can leave this table blank. Let's check how to manage supplier in ERP Next. Supplier is a party from whom we purchase goods or services. To create new supplier in your ERP Next account, type New Supplier in the Awesome bar. Enter supplier name. Select supplier type. Save supplier. Just like in Customer, you can manage address, contact and other default in the Supplier Master as well. By default, supplier naming is done based on the supplier name. To have supplier ID generated based on the series, go to Buying Settings, and in the field Supplier Naming by, select Naming Series. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. For more details,